These corn empanadas are crispy, creamy, and super easy to make, but one secret ingredient in the filling takes them to the next level. Today I will show you step by step how I make them. And along the way I'll be sharing some tips to help you get perfect results every time. So make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss a thing. Let's get started with the ingredients and step-by-step instructions. 200 grams of mozzarella cheese cut into small cubes. 260 grams of sweet corn kernels. You can use fresh, frozen, or canned corn. Just make sure it's well drained. 226 grams of softened cream cheese. 1 tablespoon of dry oregano. 20 store-bought puff pastry style empanada dough. I'm using the 5-inch ones from the Goya brand. To begin, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat until shimmering. Add the corn and season with salt, oregano, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg if you like. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes, just until the excess moisture cooks off. Then, transfer to a bowl and let it cool completely. Add the cream cheese and chopped mozzarella. Make sure the cream cheese is at room temperature. It'll mix much more easily and help prevent lumps. Mix well until everything is combined and creamy. Before adding the filling, gently stretch each empanada disc with your hands or a rolling pin. It gives you a bit more space and helps keep them sealed while frying. Next, place 2 heaping tablespoons of filling in the center of each disc. Lightly moisten half of the edge with water. Fold it over to form a half-moon shape. And press the edges well to seal. Press the edges with a fork to secure them. Make sure there's no air trapped inside the empanada. This is key to preventing them from opening or bursting while frying. Not sure how to do it? It's easy. Once you add the filling, before sealing, gently press around the filling with your fingers to push the air out toward the edges. Then fold it and press the edges firmly, starting from one end to the other. This way you'll make sure there's no air left inside. Make sure the filling doesn't touch the edges. If they get oily, the dough won't seal properly. Heat oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Slowly place 3 to 4 empanadas into the hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pot and fry, stirring occasionally with a slotted spoon until golden brown, about 3 to 5 minutes. Once you add the empanadas to the hot oil, let them fry without moving them until they float to the surface and are nicely golden on one side. Then flip them over and fry until golden and evenly cooked on the other side. When they're golden and crispy, remove them and place them on paper towels or a rack to drain the excess oil. If you want to keep them warm while you finish frying the rest, place them in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, equivalent to 120 degrees Celsius. And that's it, just like that, you've got delicious corn empanadas, crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside. I'll leave the ingredients here so you can pause and copy them. You can also find them listed in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and hit the bell so you never miss a new recipe. See you next time. Ciao!